Welcome to today's video. Whether you're a new mom or a seasoned breastfeeding pro, having the right tools can make your journey smoother and more enjoyable. In this video, I'll reveal expert-approved products to include in your ultimate breastfeeding kit. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with other moms looking to elevate their breastfeeding experience. First on the list is an electric breast pump. This is a must-have for boosting supply or building a milk stash. Why it's expert-approved: adjustable suction levels for comfort, efficient milk expression for busy moms. Pro tip: invest in a dual pump to save time. In the comments, share your favorite breast pump brand and why you love it. Next, let's talk about a breastfeeding pillow. It's not just a luxury, it's a lifesaver for positioning and comfort. Why it's expert-approved: supports your arms and back, reducing strain. Helps your baby latch more easily. Pro tip: look for a pillow with a washable cover for easy cleanup. Do you use a breastfeeding pillow? Let me know your thoughts below. Efficient milk storage is a game changer, and that's why milk storage bags and organizers are on this list. Why it's expert-approved: bags are pre-sterilized and freezer safe. Organizers help keep your milk stash orderly and easy to access. Pro tip: freeze bags flat to save space and speed up thawing. What's your top tip for organizing a freezer stash? Share it with us. Nipple shields and creams are essentials for soothing and protecting sensitive skin. Why it's expert-approved: shields can help babies latch better in tricky situations. Creams provide quick relief for sore or cracked nipples. Pro tip: use a small dab of cream after every feeding to prevent dryness. Have you used a nipple shield? Share your experience in the comments. These expert-approved products are sure to enhance your breastfeeding journey. Whether you're preparing for your first baby or looking for ways to simplify your routine, this kit has you covered. If this video gave you ideas for your breastfeeding kit, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more expert-backed tips, and share it with other moms. What's your favorite breastfeeding product? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your recommendations. See you in the next video.